Hi everyone. We are selecting a project AI integration e-commerce for personalized product recommendation. In this, Vamsi, Shravan, and Akhila, myself, and I'm going to say you about the abstract. In abstract, in the first changing world of online shopping, the use of artificial intelligence has become more common, changing how people shop on the internet. This research paper looks at how AI drive virtually avatar or chatbots can help us personally shopping help us in online shopping. This virtual helpers of the
Excuse me, Vamshi, can you change the slide?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, continue, Akhila.
huh? Malayapala.
Continue.
This virtually help us offer personalized advice and product suggestion tailored to individual preference, body sizes, and fashion trends. By analyzing large set of data and understanding how people shop, this virtual assistants can offer shopping experience that feel personally to each each shopper. However, integration virtually personal shopping help us into online shopping websites comes with challenges, but the potential benefits are big. By giving personalized advice and recommendation, virtually personal shopping helpers can make the shopping experience better, get people more interested in buying, and make them happier with their purchases. And because they can change and learn from what people see and from what's happening in the market, they can become really important tools for online retailers who want to stay competitive. Coming to introductions, online shopping has become a big part of how people buy things nowadays. It's so easy to shop online from home, and because of that, online stores have grown a lot. According to statistics, global online sales are expected to reach 6.6,4 trillion US dollars by 2024, showing just how important online shopping has become in our lives. But with so many options available online, it can be hard for people to find exactly what they are looking for. Sometimes it's just too much to choose from, and it can be overwhelming. This is where artificial intelligence comes in. AI can help make online shopping easier and more personalized by using smart algorithms to understand what people like and suggest products that might be interested in. One of the main reasons for why personal shopping assistants are becoming popular is because people want personalized recommendation when they shop online. In today in today's community online market, people want to feel like the recommendation get are they get are just like benefits of virtual shopping existence. Those are the benefits of the shopping. uh, However, there are also some things to think about when it comes to virtual personal shopping assistance. Privacy is big concern, as these assistants need access to your personal information to work properly. It's important for companies to make sure they keep your data safe and only use it in a way that, that you are comfortable with. In conclusion, AI power, powered virtual personal shopping assistants have the potential to make online shopping more personal and convenient for everyone. Coming to the problems, in today's fast changing world of online shopping, there are some big challenges that e-commerce platforms face when it comes to giving personalized recommendations for products. These challenges make it hard for online stores to understand what each customer really wants and needs, which can lead to fluctuations and disappointment. One big problem is that a lot of online stores says says they offer personalized recommendation, but in reality, these suggestions are often too general and don't really match what each customer likes. Instead of showing products that are good fit for each person's individually tastes, recommendation might just be based on broad categories or popular items, which can be pretty disappointed for customers. To address these challenges, there is growing need for smarter recommendation systems that use advanced technology like machine learning and natural language processing. This technology helps online stores understand what each customer likes and give more accurate recommendations that really match their preference. By using this technology, stores can give customers recommendations that they will really like, which can make them happier and more likely to come back and shop again. Now, Vamsi will be continue the.
Yeah, coming to the related work, many researchers have looked into how AI can make online shopping better and how virtual helpers can assist shoppers. Their studies have given us some important information about this topic, showing us how AI can improve the online shopping experience and challenges we face in making virtual assistant work. For example, one study by Smith and his team in 2019 used by a machine learning to look at customer data and suggest the products based on what people bought before and what they looked at online. They found that using AI for recommendations made customers happier and made them more likely to buy things. For instance, Johnson and his colleagues in 2020 made a virtual helper that uses natural languages processing to talk to users and suggest products based on what they want. They found that the virtual helpers got people more interested in shopping and helped them find things they like faster. One thing we want to know is how we can use virtual helpers on different online shopping sites. Most research has focused on making helpers for one store, but we do not know much about how to use them on lot of different sites. We also need to study how using helpers affects how much people trust their sites they are shopping on and whether they keeping coming back to them. Researchers have been busy looking into how AI can make online shopping better and how virtual personal shopping helpers can make the experience smoother for users. One area of research has focused on how AI can personalize product recommendation in e-commerce. Researchers have used various methods like machine learning and natural languages processing to analyze users' data and suggest products that match their preferences. For example, a study conducted by Smith and colleagues in 2019 used machine learning algorithms to analyze customer data and generate personalized recommendations based on past purchases and browsing history. Furthermore, ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI in e-commerce and mutual personal shopping assistants have not been extensively explored. As AI technologies become more prevalent in online shopping, they are concerned about data privacy, algorithm bias, and the potential of virtual assistants to manipulate user behavior. It is essential to address the ethical concern to ensure that AI-powered solutions are developed and deployed responsibly. By investigation areas such as integration of virtual assistants across platforms and the ethical implementations of AI in online shopping, further research can contribute to the continued advancement of AI technologies in e-commerce and the creation of more effective and ethical virtual assistants. So, solution for this, my plan of bringing AI powered virtual personal shopping assistants into online shopping. I have explained the important features and things this virtual assistants can do, like giving personal recommendation and taking to the users. So here what I am thinking, my solution involves creating virtual shopping assistant that use AI to help users find what they are looking for and make shopping easier. The virtual assistants will have a key features that make them really helpful. This means they can give personalized recommendation just for them. Another important features of my solution is computer vision. The technology lets the virtual assistant see what users are looking at and recommended product based on what they see. For example, if a user uploads a picture of a dress they like, the virtual assistants can use computer vision to find similar dresses and suggest them to the users. For the talking part, the virtual assistants will use math that can understand and talk like a human. As of computer version, the virtual assistants will use math to look at picture and figure out what's in them. This let the understand what users are looking at and recommend similar things based on what they see. Overall, my solution aims to create virtual shopping assistants that are smart, helpful, and easy to use. By using smart technology like talking and looking at pictures, these virtual assistants can give personalized recommendation and chat with users like a real person. With these virtual assistants helping them out, users can enjoy a more personalized and easier online shopping experience. Technical aspects of this solution. Breaking down the technical side of our purpose solution, including the tools and method used to make virtual assistants work, we will talk about the natural language processing. It's called as NLP, and computer vision come into the play. And which software we will use like TensorFlow and PyTorch. First of natural languages processing is what helps the virtual assistants understand what users are saying. If it analyzes text to figure out what users means and what they want. For example, if a user asks for a recommendation or talks about what they like, NLP help the virtual assistants understand and respond appropriately. Next, computer vision helps the virtual assistants understand images. It's look at picture to identify objects and patterns. For instance, if a user upload a picture for a something they like, computer vision help the virtual assistants recognize what's in the picture and find similar items. Now, on to the software we will use. We are really on a popular tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch to build and run the AI models behind the virtual assistants. And coming to the implement strategies, we will start by gathering the data. We will start by gathering data, lots of it. We will collect the information about the product, users preference, and past purchases to teach our virtual assistant to make good recommendation. This data will help us understand what users like and what they're likely to buy. Once we have enough data, we will move on it teaching our modules. This means using machine learning algorithm to show our virtual assistants how to make the recommendations based on the data we have gathered. We will use the technical like supervised learning and where the model learns for labeled exam led to teach our assistant to understand user preference and behavior. This means getting them up and running on a real online shopping platforms what user can use them. We will need to connect our virtual assistants to the existing systems of the platforms which might involve some backend work and connect to the other parts of the system. To make all of this happen, we will need a team of skilled developer, data scientists and engineers who can handle the different parts of implementation process. We will also need access to computer for training our modules and running our virtual assistants on the platform. In summary, putting our virtual assistants into action involve gathering data, technical machine learning models, putting them on online shopping platforms, and connecting them to existing system. This process need a mix of technical skills, data, and teamwork to make it work. And coming to the user data analysis, it was explained by my another group number 7.
Yeah, thank you, Vamshi, for your explanation. Coming to user data analysis, first, virtual systems will gather different types of data to get to know each other very better. This includes things like what user have bought in the past and what they have checked in and what they have added to the cart. For example, we'll track of uh, users of which product user have put into the cart, which one they have actually bought, and how often they visit the site. Once we have this data, we'll use the math to analyze it and find the pattern. We'll look for things and that are same between users, like what they have buy and what they like. For example, we might notice that user who buy running shoes also buy clothes like gym wear and all. The users who look at electric user ends up buying gadgets. We'll also use something called collaboration filtering, which means we'll look at what other users who are similar to each other have bought. For example, if two users have bought the same things in the past, we might suggest them new to one of them based on what other have bought. If user A and user B both buy kitchen stuff, we might suggest kitchen gadgets. Or if user A becomes user B like them. We'll also pay attention to what user do on the sites, like what they are looking into it and what they're adding into the cart. For example, if a user time spends a lot of time in one product, we'll use that to help pick what we suggest to them. If they put things in the cart but don't buy them, we might remind them or give them a discount or something like special offers to them. Next slide, please. Yeah. Coming to personalized recommendation, we'll use a few different methods to do this. One method is collaboration filtering, where we'll look at what other users who look each user have done. For example, if two users have bought similar things in the past, we suggest something new to one of them based on the other bought. This is just yeah. Other method is content based filtering, where we look at the details of each product and see how will they match up with other user likes. For example, if a user likes organic stuff, we'll try to suggest other organic products to them. We might also use a mix of these products, which is called as a hybrid approach. This means we'll use a bit of both the collaboration and content based filtering to come up with suggestions. Now let's talk about how we'll tailor these suggestions to each user. We'll look at things like what they have bought before, what they have looked at recently, and what they have popular on the site. Then we'll use the information to come up with suggestions that we'll like, the thing we like them. Next slide. Case study, personalized clothing recommendation. Imagine a user, Sarah, who loves fashion but often struggles to find the clothes which fits her. She visits an online clothing store that has integrated our virtual assist. As Sarah browses through the website, the virtual assist analyzes her browsing history and her past purchase to understand her performance preferences. Sorry, based on this information, the assistant suggests a selection of clothing items to Sarah according to her taste and budget. Results: Sarah finds the personalized recommendation helpful and discovers new clothes items that she loves. And ending up, she'll surely purchase those clothes and all with because those are Sarah will like those and leaves a positive feedback about her shopping experience. Next slide. Case study two, techie gadget recommendations. John is, for example, John is in market for a new smartphone, but it is confusing for him to have so many options in the online. He engaged with the virtual assistants on the e-commerce platform, and then assistant asks John so what type of series he prefer and what is his budget and desired features and brand preference. Using those information, the assistant will recommend few items which will match the John's criteria. Resulting in the John will be getting the gadget which he's looking for, and he selects the one recommended smartphone and completes the purchase, indicating there is a successful conversion. The e-commerce platform observes increased user engaged engagement as more users interact with the virtual assistant to seek personalized product recommendations. And coming to the case study three, home decor suggestions. Uh, Emily is redecorating her living room and looking for inspiration and decor items online. She interact with virtual mission on a house decor website, and uh, like she'll be giving her preferred color scheme, style, and budget. The assistant will use this information to give those appropriate results to her, and Emily finds the personalized decor suggestions inspired and ending up purchasing several items to complete her living room makeover. Emily leaves positive feedback about how the shopping experiences lead to higher consumer satisfaction score for the website. Next slide, please. Evaluation matrix, to measure the effectiveness of our solution, we track various metrics including a conversion rate, a user engagement, customer satisfaction score. And coming to the conversion rate, the percentage of users who make a purchase after interaction with the virtual assistant. User engagement, the level of interaction user have within the virtual assistants measured by the number of queries and interaction. Coming to the customer satisfaction score, feedback provided by the users after the shopping experiences. By analyzing their matrix, we can access the impact of our virtual assistants on improving the shopping experiences of users and driving business outcomes of online retailers. Overall, these case studies determines how our solutions can enhance user satisfaction, increases conversion, and drives engagement on e-commerce platform. Conclusion. Coming to the conclusion and further work, AI powered virtual personal shopping assistants can change online shopping by giving personalized suggestions based on individual performances and actions. Our research shows how using natural language processing and machine learning can help understanding user data and make personalized recommendation. Example, we have seen determ- demonstrating how these assistants can make users happy, get more sales, and make more people happy. Adding virtual assistant to online shopping could change how people shop online and make it more personalized and quicker. Using AI can help online shoppers stand out by giving suggestions that match each customer's needs. Virtual assistants could help shopkeepers, customers coming back, making more money and growing their business.